AP offers customers muffler design options for virtually any vehicular application. Muffler dimensional cross-section capabilities range from 4-inch round to 8.5 by 11.5 inch oval. This production capability allows the design engineers to replicate the original equipment product in form, fit, and function. Muffler subcomponent parts such as shells, baffles, and end caps are stamped and formed from the raw material coils prior to assembly. Complex sheet metal stampings are formed using 400-ton stamping presses and progressive dies, which perform multiple cutting and forming operations with each cycle of the press. AP utilizes a number of other press lines and forming equipment to stamp, shape, and size additional components and sub-assemblies for use in muffler assembly lines. All muffler assembly lines are designed for maximum output, providing enough capacity for any level of demand. Immediately upon completion and inspection, each AP muffler is staged in the welding area, where additional components are added, or packed in a shipping box and moved to the distribution center for stocking.